Love fall flavors? These apple cider muffins taste like autumn in every bite. Hi everyone, today we're making something cozy and perfect for the fall. Apple cider muffins, yummy. Hi, I'm Wendy and welcome to the Baker's Loft.
We do have to do a little bit of prep. First, bring some apple cider to a simmer over medium heat. We need to reduce this to about 1/4 cup, giving it a stir every now and again. It won't necessarily be thicker, but it will be darker. Next, we need to shred about 1½ cups of apple with a box grater, and then we're ready.
This recipe will make about 12 muffins, and you want to fill each muffin liner till full, actually. While I'm doing this, I want to tell you what we're going to do. We're preheating our oven to 425, and when these initially go in, we're going to bake them at 425 for 5 minutes. The high heat are going to make these muffins rise up, and then after the 5 minutes, we're going to lower the temperature to 350, and then the inside of the muffin will be able to bake. All right, these are ready for the oven. Remember, 425 for 5 minutes and 350 for about 11 to 13 minutes, depending on your oven. Welcome back. Muffins are done. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? Look at the color and the smell. Amazing. But I have a confession to make. We still have more to do with these muffins. What I've done is I've melted some butter, and I have a mixture of sugar and cinnamon. Can you guess what we're gonna do? Okay, so this is the end result. What I've done is I've taken a muffin, I've brushed the top with butter like this, dipped it into the sugar and the cinnamon. Shake it off. And there you have it. Warm and fluffy apple cider muffins that are perfect for any fall day. Hope you give these muffins a try. And if you do, let me know how they turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.